Different opposition movements fighting for the same goal but disunited. So this video is to pinpoint the real issue of disunity among opposition movements and to remind all opposition movements to put the interest of the citizen first when making decisions, especially tough decisions. So we all know what opposition movements are. They are basically meant to challenge the ruling class. And we have a number of opposition movements. We have Revolution Now, we have Obedient Movement, we have Rattle Movement. The opposition movement that was meant to jointly challenge the ruling class were fighting themselves. That was what happened at the bail hearing of Justice Crack. The real issue here is disunity or division. A divided and disunited opposition movement cannot effectively fight a coordinated ruling class, and disunity among opposition movements often turns potential victory into defeat. And that was what played out at the bail hearing of Justice Crack. Let us summarize the case of Justice Crack and point out how division or disunity ruined this case. So Justice Crack was detained and need to appear in court. The wife of Justice Crack contacted Barrister Marshall to be the lead counsel. Barrister Marshall decided to offer his legal service on pro bono, which is free legal service. They had the first court hearing. Barrister Marshall was the lead counsel, and at this point, everything seems okay. The second hearing was 2 days ago. Now, the first question is, what happened behind the scene after the first court hearing and prior to the second bail hearing of Justice Crack that led to the decision for the removal of Barrister Marshall needs to be known for accountability's sake. Barrister Marshall is human and, of course, has emotion. So because of what happened behind the scene that we are not fully aware of, Barrister Marshall withdrew his bail application because he was told to hand over the lead counsel to another lawyer. So let us pause here and let me say, opposition movements and the lawyers representing them should please put the interests of citizens being represented first when making tough decisions. So let's reverse a little. So when it was clear that Barrister Marshall would not hand over the lead counsel, why did the new lawyer not also decide to step aside? But at the end of it all, we only have two wrongs. Two wrongs don't make it right. So whatever happened behind the scene only caused more division among opposition movements. And a divided or disunited opposition movement cannot effectively challenge coordinated ruling class.